We will begin our installation of the help desk bot on make.powerapps.com. Before we begin, be sure to choose the appropriate environment by clicking on the name and then choosing your environment. Once I select it, the page will reload the appropriate environment selected. On the left nav, select Solutions. Once the page loads, we'll see a new ribbon. Click Import Solutions. On the flyout menu, click Browse and navigate to the zip file. Once you select it, click Open. Click Next. Click Next. It'll prompt us for our connections. If you've already created a Teams connection and an O365 connection, you'll be able to choose them. Otherwise, you can click the drop down and click New Connection. I'm going to click Import. Across the top, we'll see a banner that shows the current action for currently importing. This will take about a minute to do. On our top nav, we will get a green bar that says the solution was imported successfully. I got an error warning because this is not my first attempt on importing that solution here, and I had some artifacts still in place. We'll see that the solution was added to our list, so I'll go ahead and click on PVA2 asset. Once we're in, we will see an objects menu with all of the available artifacts in the solution file. If I click on Cloud Flows, we'll see the 2 available flows for our escalation options. If I click on Connection References, we'll see the 2 objects that were used in order to provide the connections for Teams in O365. If I click on the chatbot subcomponents, we'll see all of the topics that were used in the making of this chatbot. By clicking on the chatbot link and then clicking on the name of the chatbot, it will open a new window in the Power Virtual Agents makerspace. Once here, if I click Topics, we can see that our new chat log breadcrumb topic is available, as well as the system topic modifications to escalate, as well as the variable initialization in the greetings topic. All I need to do now is test my bot. I'll go ahead and open Teams in a new tab. The bot says hello. I'll say hi. Using our boost features for our untrained topics, I will ask it questions related to Star Wars, since that's what I boosted my bot with. We can see that the breadcrumbs are currently posting as a result of my inputs, so that we can have those user input chat logs. For the sake of demo purposes, I'm having the bot parrot them back. If our user is unhappy with our answers or the description of Luke Skywalker being insufficient, they can type agent or reference something 3 times that fails over, and that will also redirect them. We can see the 2 links providing options for one of the 2 escalation flows. I do recommend doing some testing with both of these to see which one fits best, and then deleting the other and removing the option set so that this will be seamless. Once I click that link, we'll see the breadcrumb pass and a notification to our user that our response has been successfully submitted. If I click on it, we can see that it also flowed through that and get a confirmation that it passed successfully through our escalate topic. If I click on this action where it shows the flow, if I click View Details, it will open the Power Automate flow so that I can actually see that the run there was successful as well. So 21 seconds ago, it took less than a second to run, and it succeeded. If I go to Teams, I would be able to see the card available there as well.